Hi friends, good morning. This video will see about intent filters. What is intent filter and how it should goes. So this is very important question for your interview also. See, as we discussed in our earlier videos, each and every activity should be registered in manifest file. But here three activities are registered, but only this main activity has here intent filter. But why? How it goes? See, can I apply this intent filter for remaining two? What happens? Just we can observe this. So just we can observe this. Now I want to apply intent filter for the 3. So how it happens, we can see it. See, now I applied for 3. So before going to this, just concentrate on my screen. So this is here my explicit application. Now I'm running this application again. What happens now, you can see here. See, once I click on here, see, this directly open third page. See, it installed 3 times. This is the third page. This is the third page, and if it is this one, it's a just a minute, I'll open one by one. See, this is like, means it can be installed 3 times. But why it can be installed 3 times? Because intent filter can shows this which activity should be launcher, means this launcher can be only for one. It can be only for one. So remaining all, it should be default. But here we no need to specify this default property, because defaultly each and every activity as action as default. Because of that, we won't specify that here as a default. See, again it should one back. Because of that, we no need to specify every time this. Only it's required now, means as per the latest architecture, it's required only for one. Remaining all should be defaultly, it is having the property as default. So because of that, no need to specify. But this is one of the main important question for interview. The people will ask, what is intent filter? How it should be? Like this they will ask. So then that time you can say intent filter can control the flow of activities. It can be decided which activity should be first, then after that what are the default activities, it can be decided. But if this intent filter can be available on your Android manifest file, it is simply, you can say it's there in a Android manifest file. It can control the flow of activities. That is about intent filter. But it's very important. Without intent filter we could not see, even though this are making as a default. See, if I am making a default, here automatically cross mark as key. See, just I try to run, it is saying this could not run, default activity not found. Means must and should one activity should be launcher, remaining all activities are then a default. So this is about this intent filter. So we'll see in the next videos how to do this next functionalities on the using intent. Thank you. Please subscribe to get more updates.